This pod series continues discussing some worldly and hereafter benefits of possessing true faith in Islam, meaning, faith which is supported by actions. The next benefit is an escape from difficulties. Allah, the Exalted, has promised to rescue the believers just like how He rescued the Holy Prophet Yunus, peace be upon him, after he was swallowed by a whale. Chapter 21, verses 87 to 88.
And he called out within the darkness, "There is no deity except you. Exalted are you. Indeed, I have been of the wrongdoers." So we responded to him and saved him from the distress, and thus do we save the believers.
In fact, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, has confirmed in a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmizi, number 3505, that Allah, the Exalted, will respond to and rescue any believer who uses the supplication made by the Holy Prophet Yunus, peace be upon him. According to the following verse, a Muslim has been guaranteed right guidance through all difficulties and success in all aspects of their life as long as they actualize their faith, meaning, they fulfill the commands of Allah, the Exalted, refrain from His prohibitions and face destiny with patience. Chapter 65, verse 2.
And whoever fears Allah, He will make for him a way out.
In a narration found in Musnad Ahmad, number 2803. The Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised the importance of understanding that every difficulty a person faces will be followed by ease. This reality has also been mentioned in the Holy Quran, for example, chapter 65, verse 7.
Allah will bring about, after hardship, ease.
It is important for Muslims to understand this reality as it gives rise to patience and even contentment. Being uncertain over the changes in circumstances can lead one to impatience, ingratitude, and even towards unlawful things, such as unlawful provision. But the one who firmly believes all difficulties will eventually be replaced with ease will patiently wait for this change, fully trusting in the teachings of Islam. This patience is much loved by Allah, the Exalted, and greatly rewarded. Chapter 3, verse 146.
And Allah loves the steadfast.
This is the reason Allah, the Exalted, has mentioned numerous examples within the Holy Quran when difficult situations were followed by ease and blessings. For example, the following verse of the Holy Quran mentions the great difficulty the Holy Prophet knew, peace be upon him, faced from his people and how Allah, the Exalted, saved him from the great flood. Chapter 21, verse 76.
And mention Noah, when he called to Allah before that time. So we responded to him and saved him and his family from the great flood.
Another example is found in chapter 21, verse 69.
Allah said, "O fire, be coolness and safety upon Abraham."
The Holy Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him, faced a great difficulty in the form of a great fire, but Allah, the Exalted, made it cool and peaceful for him. These examples and many more have been mentioned in the Holy Quran and the narrations of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, so that Muslims understand that a moment of difficulty will eventually be followed by ease for those who obey Allah, the Exalted, by fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience. Therefore, it is important for Muslims to study these Islamic teachings in order to observe the countless cases where Allah, the Exalted, granted ease to His obedient servants after they faced difficulties. If Allah, the Exalted, has saved His obedient servants from great difficulties mentioned in the divine teachings, then He can and will save the obedient Muslims facing smaller difficulties also.